Welcome to this video on prompt engineering, the science of high-leverage AI systems. This is the highest leverage skill of our era, moving us beyond conversational ChatGPT to building scalable, high-value AI systems. Many people fail at prompting because they treat AI like a human conversational partner that you can iterate with. In reality, building scalable business AI systems requires single-shot accuracy. Remember the rule: garbage in equals garbage out. The goal of single-shot automated prompts is high performance, single-turn executions, fully integrated into backend systems, capable of running thousands of operations seamlessly. We use the ultimate system formula for prompt creation: role, task, specifics, examples, and notes. These elements combine to create the most effective prompts. By moving past basic templates and applying research-backed methodologies, we achieve compounding accuracy gains. This formula can yield up to a 295% increase in total performance based on scientific validation. The first element is #role, which sets the expectation by assigning an advantageous persona. Defining the AI's identity and expertise, such as "you are a marketing expert," can boost accuracy by 10.3% to 25%. Next is #task, the execution and action. This is a direct, clear, and concise description of the primary objective, and should always initiate with a strong verb. We also use dynamic variables to integrate data, like email_text. For complex reasoning tasks, we use chain of thought prompting by forcing step-by-step processing. Asking the AI to calculate sequentially before delivering the final answer can give up to a 90% boost in accuracy. The third element is #specifics, or operational rules. This means explicitly listing execution constraints and guardrails, defining what the AI must and must not do to prevent errors before they occur. Emotion prompt harnesses emotional stimuli to activate stronger engagement and focus. Injecting emotional phrases like "this task is very important for my career" can boost performance on complex reasoning tasks by 115%. Then we have #context, the working environment. Detailing the ecosystem and target audience helps tailor AI responses to specific needs, defining who, what, and where the content is directed. The fifth element, #examples or few-shot prompting, involves providing explicit input-output pairs. Showing the AI exactly what you want helps it mirror the desired tone, structure, and language, offering a 14.4% boost in context learning. This blueprint example shows how to teach the AI a pattern. By providing input-output examples, the AI learns the desired response format for emotional input, like anger or frustration. Finally, #notes include final output tweaks. This is the location for strict negative prompts, the "do not" statements, setting absolute constraints to ensure the output adheres exactly to your requirements. To defeat the lost-in-the-middle problem, where LLMs favor information at the start or end, critical notes must go last. Positioning key information with recency maximizes impact, giving a 20 to 25% gain in results. For hierarchical structure, we use Markdown formatting, which aligns with how OpenAI models are trained. Use H1 tags for the core formula elements like role and task, and H2/H3 tags for subsections like instructions and constraints. In model economics, shorter instructions mean cheaper execution. For production consistency, set the temperature to 0. You can use efficient prompting to make cheaper models perform like top-tier ones. The first application is building production AI agents. Integrate a vector database for knowledge context, define tool calling boundaries for capabilities, and use first-person persona emulation for natural interactions. The second application involves voice and automation. Create voice agents with strict conversational paths and use automations for tasks like lead categorization. Apply single-token output rules for rigid, predictable responses. The goal is to become an AI systems engineer. Stop simple chatting and focus on architecting systems. Build predictable frameworks through production prompt engineering. Master the formula and scale your systems.